Once in our lifetime, we wonder about how can we get that blue check mark beside our name on our socials like say Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Well, before, you have to have at least 5 articles or a write-up from a credible source just for you to get the blue check. Or maybe you are a personality or an influencer or something with a very high following, or someone who really is credible on disseminating information like news and entertainment. Well, if you haven't heard yet, Meta has introduced Verified by Meta, in which you can have that blue check on your profile, but that comes with a price. And now Meta has quietly rolled out this feature in the Philippines. Hey guys, Roll here with UbiTech, and in this video, we will be teaching you a step-by-step process on how to get that blue check that you are always wondering to get. Note that these steps are doable through your phone or desktop. Okay, for step 1, of course, you gotta have to have your Facebook account and have it signed in. Next up is, what you have to do is head over to your browser, either it be Chrome, Safari, or whichever you want to use. If you're still using Mozilla Firefox, it doesn't really matter. And now search on Verified by Meta, or just click the link down in the description box below. And from there, you can pick either Instagram or Facebook. Then it will prompt you to open your Facebook app and then just basically click subscribe. You might be prompted to log in your account if you haven't already, but if you already did, you will be redirected to the Meta subscription page. Tap on sign up and then it will give you a prompt to pay 499 pesos for the Meta Verified. You need to have a payment method to link to either your Apple ID or Google account for those Android users out there. And for those on desktop, it will prompt you to pay through debit card or credit card or PayPal. And for some reason, it is much cheaper at 420 pesos a month if you subscribe via a PC. Once you paid the subscription fee, you're gonna have to have at least one government-issued ID in order for you to get verified. Scan it, make sure that your Facebook or Instagram name and the ID that you will be submitting to Meta are the same. And make sure that you have your face visible on your profile photo as well as on the ID that you will be submitting in order for you to get verified. Now, right after that, you just need to wait a couple of minutes and then you will be having a notification saying that you are verified. Do note that Facebook and Instagram, for some reason, does have a different subscription payment. So if you want to verify both of your Facebook and Instagram account, you have to shell out at least 1,000 pesos per month, which is pretty expensive to some people. But you know, if you think that blue checkmark is worth your penny, then you are free to do so. And also, if you have your Instagram verified, it will be carried over to Threads. Now, if you are a Twitter type of guy, you can also verify your Twitter account. Same step. Of course, you need to have your account signed in and go to your profile section, and there you will see Twitter Blue. Tap on that and you can pick either a monthly subscription of 600 pesos or a yearly fee of 6,300 pesos. A tad bit expensive as compared to Meta. These blue checks are not just for show. There are several perks to it. One is for other users to easily check the authenticity of your account, as there are a lot of dummy accounts out there. This is actually one of the solutions to eliminate that. Second is the account protection for impersonations. And aside from that, you have 24/7 customer support, exclusive stickers for your reels and stories, as well as early access to Facebook beta features before they made it into public. Twitter Blue, on the other hand, shares almost the same perks, but with a few tweaks like, say, prioritization in search and more for you tweets, adding bold or italicized characters to your posts, longer 1080p video uploads, and with Twitter Blue, you can now have an edit tweet option to fix those typos, and also early access to new features. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can verify your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter accounts, and please use this feature responsibly. So what do you guys think about these features? Are you having your accounts verified? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and visit ubtech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.